There is a connector, power connector, electricity power connector. You can connect this, and it will be cooling. Same time you're driving out there. No need to put ice cubes.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. Hi guys, welcome back again to my choo 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 choo. Oh my god, you don't tell me. I'm so excited. I want to see what is it. I want to surprise myself. You know what I mean? Yes? Oh my god, I didn't see yet. I didn't see picture.
Mini refrigerator.
Mini refrigerator, like portable. Guys, I will unbox now. Portable refrigerator. Oh my god, so cute. I'm so excited. I didn't see the picture. I didn't know yet this one. This one is now my first time to see whatever. But you cannot see me. Guys, you cannot see me. I should do. What? I have an instructor here, but you cannot see him. I want to unbox. Oh my god. Guys, I will see. I want you to know this one is the refrigerator. See? Mini refrigerator. It should be.
On the side of it.
Huh?
On the side of it.
Like this?
Mini.
See this one? Portable refrigerator. Oh my god, so okay guys, you see me now? Oh my god, I'm so excited. I will show you guys. Where is me? Hi guys, I will show you what is inside here because it's beautiful. You have to talk to me, like teach me. Huh? Oh my god, I'm shocked. Guys, let us all Oh my god. Oh my god. Product description. Oh my god. I think, huh? Is this like this? Guys, I want to. No, wait. I will remove this one.
Flip the box.
Oh my god. Hala. It is amazing. Oh my god, it's amazing so much. So beautiful. Really? Did you see this one already? Oh my god, guys. Guys, look at this one.
Flip the box. And then put on top of the box.
This one is the front. This one is the front.
Yeah.
And then you see guys, oh my god, it's a portable refrigerator. You can carry anywhere you want to go. Oh my god, especially here now in Kuwait, so summer. And then yeah, no need ice box. Yes, guys, look at this one. It's a portable refrigerator. You can carry anywhere you want to go, especially here in Kuwait. The weather is so hot. Oh my god, see?
You can carry it with
Hala,
you
you can carry it just really like this.
and put
And
it
then,
connected in the car.
yeah.
And it will run, still cool. And then you come home, you connect it to the power.
Oh, see? Oh my God, so beautiful. I cannot believe it. I'm so surprised. Ah, this guy. See, look at this guy. And then you will open here. So look inside.
Yes, correct. Okay.
Ah, oh my God. Oh my God, it's small refrigerator.
Shelf.
There's a shelf. See? Ah, there's a shelf here, one. Shelf number 2. And here, if you want to put the drinks and food, something like that. Ah! Oh my God, it's nice. See, guys?
Very nice.
Oh my God, so beautiful.
And light.
Ah, yeah, it's so light. You can carry anywhere.
Where is the power?
Oh my God.
Where is the wiring? It's inside the box or inside the fridge? The wires.
The wires is here. The wires is here, guys. Oh my God. And then you can remove also, if you want to clean, you can remove this one, the shelf. Then put back like this. Oh my God. And if you have eggs, you can put the eggs here. See?
Medicine.
So now guys, so beautiful.
Let me see the wire through.
And then this is the wire here. Catcher. Oh my God, see? Mini refrigerator.
See, this is for
See guys, a small mini refrigerator like this.
cute.
So cute, really. See, and then this is the back. You have to explain what is this at the back. Guys, this one at
It
the
could
back.
be heater and it could
Yeah.
be cooling. And normal and mute if you want normal or mute.
Let's see.
This one power, electrical home power. This is car power.
Ah, okay guys.
Connection. This one if you want to connect in the car. And this one if you want to connect at home with the power, normal power.
See.
And this is on and off, and this is normal, this is mute.
Guys, this one guys, this one is the wire for cars. If you want to use it in the car, inside the car, you can use this wire. You can connect in the car, and also you can connect at home. See, look at this one. You can put, see, it's very nice,
And
really.
you choose either heat or cool.
Yeah. See, nice guys, right? So cute, see? It's, you can carry anywhere you want to go, especially if you will go farm or if you will go to the desert, and then you can take this one and you can stuff all your, you can put all your foods inside, then perfect. Oh my God. It's nice. Oh my God. You open here and then you will see inside. See? Oh my God, so beautiful, so cute. See? Mana yung shelf. See? And then close. See?
You should read this for them.
And then this one is the side
You
view.
should read this instruction for them so they will know. Wear your glasses and read it.
And then this one is the back side. See? It's on and off. And then cold or hot. It's light guys, not heavy. Just light. I liked it. It's so cool. So beautiful. See, you can carry anywhere guys. You go to anywhere, you go somewhere else. So Just like that.
You carry your fridge with you.
See guys, still very new, so new. And this one is the, what is this one? It's like a mirror. What?
I don't know. If you switch it on, maybe this will light up.
Okay guys, we will try to switch on. We will try to switch on guys. This one
So there is power.
is in the bottom. Yeah, the bottom, right?
Yeah. Definitely.
And then it's working. And then if you will open here, see, it's working. We try to switch on guys, and it's working. Beautiful. Oh my god, really it's so beautiful, so nice. Mini refrigerator, so beautiful. This mini refrigerator, this one is easy to carry, and then so if you want to buy it, just let me know, tell me, so free delivery.